crude oil this week has rise in value, and we can see that the price has formed a bullish breakout on a Thursday above 85.23, and the price has confirmed this bullish breakout on a Friday with this candle not going back below this support level. On the weekly time frame, we can see this is a bullish breakout also above 80 to 89.94, which is a strong bullish signal. And we can see it was a pretty strong resistance level that has held the price for 2 weeks. And then we can see it is a monthly time frame, which is also a monthly bullish breakout, but this is only the first week of this month. So this month has 3 more weeks until we see what happens. We will see that much more clearly in the last week what could happen. So based on this one, we can see 82.94 is a very important resistance level that has been broken, and the price is trying to reach higher price level. The first target where the price could reach is this one, 85.68. We can see it has already reached, and the second one is this one, 87.21, which is also reached, and after that the next one will be 88.28, as the final one will be around this one, 89. We can round this number to 90. So this is 88.43. On the weekly time frame, this bullish breakout needs to be verified, which means not invalidated, which means the price should not return back down in the next week below 82.94 to verify. So 88, which is the next target, which is around this one. 88 is the next target also on the weekly time frame, but we will see what happens on the daily time frame, which is much more clearly visible what are the very important levels. So we can see 88.39 is the next resistance level, and this is the next target for the price. Let's see in the past what has happened after the price has formed this bullish breakout here. Just like in this example, the price has gone up to here, 87.50. We can see it here with these weeks. So this is the first target after the next week for the crude oil. So this is something what I am expecting. After that, we could see the price go down, just reaching the support level, and then moving again for the next leg to move up, reaching this area as supply zone, resistance level, and then we'll see what happens. Will the price manage to form a bullish breakout, or it will find some kind of resistance like this in this example, where the price formed a bullish breakout, then it was invalidated and the price gone in the opposite direction. So based on this one, what we can see on the monthly time frame, it is a bullish breakout, it is a weekly bullish breakout, it is a daily bullish breakout that has been validated, which means we have a daily bullish breakout validated, weekly not validated expected, and monthly should be validated. Everything is pointing that we could see the price going up, and this is something that I'm expecting also. But we'll see what happens around this support level, around 85. This will be shared with the daily traders inside the Telegram group. So what happens? Will there be any bullish breakouts or bearish breakouts suggesting the price will go down? So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.